There are three things I know for sure in this world: what I don't know, what I do know, and what I love. And there's one word that represents all three: CarShield. You see, I don't know anything about car repairs or how expensive they'd be. Worst of all, I don't know when my car will break down. What I do know is that CarShield helps protect major parts and systems in my car, and I love that. Here's what you should know. CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company. They've covered over 2 million vehicles and helped pay over $1 billion in car repair claims.
I've saved over $20,000.
I've saved nearly $7,000.
I don't know how to fix my car, and I don't know anyone that would want to get stuck with a car repair bill. And I won't have to, because I'm a CarShield customer. So when my baby needs a repair, I won't have to lift a finger. I'll just have the mechanic call CarShield, just like you need to call CarShield right now.
CarShield helps get expensive repairs paid on up to 5,000 parts and systems on your out-of-warranty car, truck, or SUV. Call CarShield now for an affordable month-to-month plan. It could save you thousands.
One call to CarShield gives you a price lock guarantee. That means the cost of your plan never goes up as long as you cover your car. I stay on budget and I don't break the bank. I also love all the extras I get with CarShield, like their coast-to-coast roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options. CarShield helps save drivers money through it all. Get in the know and trust what your Auntie Viv is saying. CarShield is the best auto protection for your budget, your car, and your peace of mind. So, call CarShield now before it's too late.
Call CarShield now for your free quote and to lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.